Universal Hindu Parliament. Last 6 months we were working on this project. Today, successfully we completed this project. I am sharing it with the whole world. I am opening this to the whole world. Universal Hindu Parliament. It has 7 parts. Chit Sabha. Chit Sabha, where Paramashiva does all the Panchakrityas and all the informations he wants to share with the world from Chit Sabha he releases to the world. Next is Deva Sabha. Understand? Hinduism as a unique way gods directly land on human beings' plane. Gods land on planet Earth and do the administration. Please understand. Oh Hindus, don't be apologetic. Don't try to be agnostic. When we say Paramashiva himself came as Irayanar, Sundaresa Pandiyan, Tokkanada Peruman, and created the Pandya Samrajya and started ruling. Don't be apologetic. Don't think it is mythology. Don't think it is a story. It is history. Not story. It is history. Gods do come to planet Earth. Paramashiva himself came and created Pandya Samrajya and ruled Madurai as Sundarabandiyan, Tokkanada Peruman, Irayanar. Parashakti herself came as Meenakshi and Subramanya came as Ukrabandiya. These are true. And understand, this Deva Sabha will be run by the gods and goddesses directly come from Paramashiva to planet Earth, either in the form of incarnations. How? Subramanya has come in the form of Skandamata, or the partial Bhava Samadhi, like part-time, the gods will land on the sincere, intense, enlightened beings through Bhava Samadhi, either partially or full incarnations. Those beings will form this Deva Sabha. And third, Raja Sabha. Raja Sabha will be formed by all the Hindu activists all over the world. If you are a Hindu guru, Hindu Pidadhipati, Hindu Matadhipati, or Hindu party leader, Hindu political activist, Hindu social leader, or any Hindu community leader, like different communities, Brahmins, Sevar, Saiva Velalar, so many different communities. The Hindu communities leaders and Hindu yoga studios, Hindu temple priests, Hindu temple owners, anyone who runs any Hindu ecosystem, you are eligible to become the Rajya Sabha member of Kailasa, Universal Hindu Parliament. Today I welcome anyone who is interested. You can apply, or if you are interested in nominating somebody, you can nominate that person's name. We will approach them. Kailasa will approach them and make them as part of the Rajya Sabha. Below the email address, Universal Hindu Parliament at kailasa.org is given. You can send an email to know the details of the Universal Hindu Parliament. Rajya Sabha is a Universal Hindu Parliament body. The third is Rajya Sabha structure. Fourth is Jnana Sabha. All the Hindu education organizations like Hindu Gurukuls, Hindu colleges, Hindu universities can become part of the Jnana Sabha. Kanaka Sabha will be all the Hindu business organizations, Hindu businessmen. It will be literally Hindu World Trade Center. Ananda Sabha will be for all the Hindu common men to address the issues of the Hindus all over the world. Nityananda Sabha will be focusing on my contribution, what we are doing, the governance of Kailasa, and our contribution for Hinduism. These 7 sabhas is already legally formed. All the structures are established. Last 6 months we were working to legitimately form these bodies. Fortunately, with the grace of Paramashiva, it is all ready now. Already we have many members applied, and we also welcome anyone wants to join. You can send an email. If you want to nominate somebody, you can also send an email to Universal Hindu Parliament at kailasa.org. The final list, the first batch of MPs, Member of Parliament of Rajya Sabha, Jnana Sabha, Kanaka Sabha, Ananda Sabha and Nityananda Sabha will be revealed in coming Shivaratri. So today I am launching the completed project of Chit Sabha, Deva Sabha, Rajya Sabha, Jnana Sabha, Kanaka Sabha, Ananda Sabha, Nityananda Sabha. These 7 sabhas put together will be called Universal Hindu Parliament.